What if artificial intelligence could not only boost productivity, but actually transform the way engineers work across industries? At Hannover Messe 2025, Siemens unveiled just that, and took home one of the most prestigious awards in the process. Before we dive into this groundbreaking innovation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to let us know what you think about the future of AI in industry. Siemens has won the 2025 Hermes Award for its revolutionary Industrial Copilots, a generative AI-powered assistant designed to supercharge workforce efficiency. Unveiled at the opening ceremony of Hannover Messe on March 30th, the announcement came after careful deliberation by an independent jury led by Professor Dr. Ing. Holger Hanselke, president of the Fraunhofer Society. The Industrial Copilot connects with Siemens TIA Portal, an engineering framework used by over 120,000 professionals worldwide. This AI assistant allows engineers to interact with the system through natural language, rapidly generating precise and reliable code for programmable logic controllers. By eliminating repetitive tasks, the Copilot reduces errors, shortens development times, and ultimately increases productivity. Artificial intelligence was a major theme at this year's Hannover Messe, and Siemens stood out for its integrated approach, blending AI-driven support for management processes with production control. As Professor Hanselke noted, AI's real value shines when it's applied correctly, and Siemens technology is leading the way. The Hermes Award recognizes not just innovation, but also market readiness. And while Siemens secured the top honor, two other companies also brought impressive ideas to the competition. Igus introduced the Mobile Shore Power Outlet, or IMSPO, a mobile, self-propelled socket system for connecting container ships to shore power. By replacing diesel generators, it reduces harmful emissions and cuts maintenance costs. The system can span distances up to 400 meters, thanks to its robust, roller-supported energy conduit. Think of it as a moving plug that helps make ports greener and more efficient. Meanwhile, Schaeffler showcased its XZU angular contact needle roller bearings. These double-row bearings enhance tilt stiffness by 30%, cut friction by 20%, and boost raceway accuracy by 40%. Designed to be a direct replacement for standard cross-roller bearings, they are especially valuable for robotics, machine tools, and assembly automation. Each of these innovations highlights the incredible momentum building around industrial AI and engineering technologies. Thanks for watching. Check out the related video now appearing in the corner to learn more about the latest AI breakthroughs shaping the future of automation.